Welcome to Mikumi National Park, the most accessible park that offers a true taste of African safari in southern Tanzania. A home to fascinating attractions and wildlife at a glance. Enjoy the beautiful sounds of nature as you're stretching your feet for unforgettable walking safaris, unforgettable game drive, unforgettable nature, wilderness, and over 400 bird species, as well as amazing night game drive experience. Enjoy the wide range of extraordinary hospitality services catered for your budget, including park bandas, cottages, public and special campsites, and lodges. Visit Mikumi National Park. Enjoy a true African experience in southern Tanzania.